Today I'm putting the table in the van. Got a live edge river table here that I got from a vendor on Etsy. So I'm gonna put a base on the back of this, and then the pole will slide into the base, and then I've got a base on the pole that will go into the floor. So the first step is I've kind of marked my location. I'm gonna hole saw the floor and mount the base plate there. Then I'll mark the location on the table, which will be about 1/3 of the way in, so that the table can swivel in different ways and kind of be offset, which will give me a lot of options depending on which seat or seats are being occupied. Really, that's about it. I'll be able to just set it up and tear it down whenever I need it. So first step, get the base plate. Alright, so now I have a table in the van. This is super sweet. It's accessible from all 3 seats, and it can be up while we're in driving configuration. It's easy to set up and tear down, and it can swivel as needed. To accommodate all this, I did offset the post mount, and I'm sure it's almost there, but there might be some adjustments as we go. But for now, this is awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the latest van update. If you did, make sure you